Hello everybody. Hello. Welcome back to my channel. So I know we are bored in the house, but when we need to go, so I know that we are all bored in the house, right? But when we need to go somewhere, we need to wear these. So let's go ahead and take this off. We need to do a quarantine glam. And I'm going to show you guys how to beat a face. Go ahead and get glammed up and where we have to use the mask. So I'm going to show you guys. Let's go ahead and do a soft beat with a mask. Okay, you guys? So let's go ahead and take this off. All jokes aside, guys, we have to wear these masks everywhere we go. But that does not mean we do not need to be glam anymore. So let's go ahead and get into it. I want to go ahead and start off with the base. I have some new products to use. So I got all my products laid out in front of me, you guys. We are going to go ahead and just start with our Elm's Superfood Psycha Calming Food. Superfood Psycha Calming Hydrating Juice, okay? So we're just going to go ahead and put that all over the skin. You guys, I just love this. I really love how like the makeup grips with this product. But before we move on, we're gonna go ahead and just take a little bit of the Deep Peach from Anastasia. And this is their powder, you guys, their loose powder. And what I'm gonna do is just press this powder on the apples of the cheeks mainly. I just really want to set all of this area. I want everything to be mattified, all of this primer to be set. But I'm really honestly gonna focus this powder everywhere, like our, what do you call it? I really wanna focus this really mainly in the middle, just to really cover up and cover those pores. Really, that's really what I'm trying to do, you know? We're gonna go in with some new foundation I've never tried. We're just gonna go ahead and do another soft glam. You guys really liked those soft glam looks, but with a pop of color, okay? So let's go ahead and take the Makeup Forever Professional Paris Ultra HD Foundation. This is an oldie, but I hear it's a goodie. So I've never tried it personally on my skin, just because that was 3 pumps. I've just never personally tried it because I've heard it's like a natural foundation, but I just wanted to test it out. Why not? I have it, so I might as well test it out. Okay, let's see. So it is darker, okay? It is darker. You guys, how are you, pendejas? How are you guys doing out in the world? You guys need to like conversate with me more on the comments, you know, or on my Instagram. And I want to do a video, you know, where my subscribers choose my makeup. So you guys better follow me on Instagram. So yes, it is more of a natural kind of finish, but I hope I can use concealer to really like amp this look up, you know, because even though this is a soft glam, I still want to look full beat to the goals. Like I really still want to look really beat, you know. I don't care, you know. And honestly, personally, if I were to go to the store or something, like I'm not one to wear makeup like in public, like I'm not, unless it's like for like something, honestly, like an event or to really like advertise my makeup or whatever the heck case it is, then, oh look you guys, and I have a planet here. It's white, it's ready to be popped, but I knew I was gonna film the video, so I didn't want to pop it yet. Until I'm finished taking all of the makeup off, because I did not want to put product over the open wound. So yeah, don't do that, guys, just like that. You guys, have you guys been watching Instant Influencer? Have you guys been liking it? Let me know. I've been watching it. I don't know. Anyway, so let's go in with the Makeup Forever Ultra HD. This one is their shade 34. So I've never tried this either. So let's go ahead and try it. Oh, I love the wand. Like, oh, and it looks like super creamy. You know, go ahead all along here. Oh, it feels super creamy. I honestly don't know if it's full coverage at all. And you guys, I really like that pulled kind of look. So what I always do with my concealers, let's go ahead and drag that shit all the way out. All the way out. Then we're gonna go ahead and go on to the forehead area. A little bit down the bridge of the nose, like very little bit. Just like that. Upper lip, of course. And the chin. Okay, just like that. And I always go ahead and reverse contour with whatever's left. You guys don't have to do this, but this is just what I do. Especially because this concealer is not that light, to be honest, you know, so I feel okay doing that. So now what I want to go ahead and do is I want to go ahead and blend this out. I want to see how this is going to look. Let's see. Oh my lord, let's see. I definitely think that this is a beautiful concealer. I will say that. I think it's really gorgeous, honestly. Oh wow. You guys see I'm like really going in with this concealer just because this concealer, the shade is so nice. And it has like that peachy undertone as well, so I feel like it cancels like that darkness as well. And the foundation is a little bit darker, you know, so I'm fine with that. So this is really where it's gonna really balance out, you guys. And on this planet, we will go ahead and make it a mole later on, just because I don't like how it looks. Before that, let's go in with the iconic London liquid drops. This one is in the shade Original. I'm not gonna even take a lot of this because I know that that is like on crack. Oh wow. You guys see that right there? Ooh, wow, that is pretty. But what I wanna do is I'm gonna take the other side of my sponge and just press that in. I really don't want like a boom-in highlight at all, but I did want to try it because I had it, and I hope I can just like really like make this like that. You see that right there? Ooh, that looks gorgeous. I'm gonna go ahead and just really bake under here. Oh yes. I'm gonna go ahead and grab the brush and really just bake everything under here. Now let's go ahead and do some eyeshadow. I really wanted to just do something simple. We're gonna do yellow today, just because it's going to be summertime already, and I really want to take this Jaclyn Hill palette. I don't use it as much, honestly, just because I've been trying a lot of other products and stuff, and I want to use it. So let's go ahead and take the brush and blend out this concealer. It does not look cute when you try to blend over it. And I'm not gonna go ahead and use my like Anastasia base or anything, just because it's a soft glam. So I want to go ahead and take, let me see, I want to take this orangey shade right here, which is, what is this shade right here? fill in myself. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna really just put that into the crease, back and forth, just like that. Because I really just want this in there just softly, you know? Just softly. And that's why I'm leaving the bakage on the bottom, just because I do not want any of the damn fallout to come out. What I'm gonna do to pack on the shade, I'm gonna go ahead and take a flat brush, and I wanna go ahead and use this yellow, right? So let's go in with No Joke, and I really just wanna put this on to the lid. Just a little bit. I just want to take it there, you guys, because I just want to show you guys that it's easy. It's not as hard as you think to go in with like a bright yellow or something and make it work, okay? So that's really like the tea. That's really what I'm trying to go for. And I think I'm going to leave it just like this, just like with this yellow kind of color on. And I'm going to go ahead and blend out the crease a little bit. Just like that. And so lastly, what we're gonna do for the eyeshadow part is we're gonna go ahead and take a little bit of a this shade right here and this one. This one is shade Homebody, and fill in myself. So I'm gonna take a mixture of both of them, and I just really want that contrast of the dark kind of brown in my eye, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put that onto the lower lash line. So this is the part, well, consider this a soft glam, just because for me, you guys, I go more dramatic. So it's on personal preference, you guys. But I'm going in with my normal dramatic ash lashes, just because that is what I like to do, and that's what I like to wear. But like I said, you guys, earlier in the video, please, if you guys don't like something that I do, or if it's too dramatic for you, don't do it. You know, instead of taking a dramatic lash, change it up. You know, use a natural lash, etc. You know, so it's all on personal preference, to be honest. So I'm just putting my glue on my lashes. So sorry if I'm looking down and talking. And so all I'm gonna do, guys, now is go in with a liner just to hide the lash line or the band. Gonna go ahead and just
use the Huda Beauty one.
Do you guys see my cat chasing a fly? Damn cat. My kitty. Now let's go in with our lashes, our drag queen lashes right here. Now we're gonna really open the eyes with a liner, like a waterline color. You guys already know I've been using this forever. Just like that. And you guys just see how open, wide awake we look. Now let's go in with our lips. We're gonna take the shade Honey Moon from Morphe and do like a really nude look. You guys just see how like it really just contoured my lip. That's why I love this shade. This is from this is in the shade Honeymoon from Morphe, you guys. That's why I love it, because it just contours the lips like really good. And so for lips, let's go in with the Too Faced lipstick. This one is in the shade Disrobed. Yeah, it looks like this. It's fairly new, you guys, because I've never used it pretty much. I've swatched it on my hand, but I got this at the event that I went to a long time ago at Too Faced's headquarters. So let's go ahead and use this one. Now, so for some blush, let's go ahead and take this one right here. This one is the Revolution Makeup. Oh wow, this one is, let's use this one let's use this one. So I'm gonna go in with this shade right here. You guys, it is just super pretty. Like, look at it, just like that. I'm not gonna even put more, I'm just gonna, just like that. Just like that. We're just gonna go ahead and take this one from Morphe. This one is in the shade Megastar. I'm just gonna really use this just to like really bronze up the skin. I'm not gonna do so much, you guys, to be honest. I'm gonna just go ahead and take this on a big brush. We haven't added any bronzer, so that's why I wanted to do this. Okay, at the end, just to complete this look, give me some chisel, a little bit more, you know. So I look bomb as fuck. I still have this soft glam on. You guys see, you guys can go out and about and you guys can still look super, super glam, you guys. Just make sure that all of this area is matte so that we don't get any transfer. But you guys, that's pretty much it for today's video. You guys still can go, be quiet. So if you need to go in public or anything, make sure to wear your mask. Guys, shall wear a mask, then wear it. But this is pretty much it. This is my soft glam. You guys see it's still beautiful. It has pops of color, orange and yellow, but it's still neutral. That's what I love about the look, you guys. So that's pretty much it. I hope you guys like this video. You guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. Follow all my social media and hit that notification bell down below. And you guys, I'll see you guys in my next video.